Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then click on the timer icon right here, it's in the middle of the screen, and you can pick either 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay and then grab a photo. As you can see, at first there's a countdown, and the picture will be taken after 10 seconds. And this is it. It has been taken. You can also pick, for example, 5 or 2 seconds delay. Let me show you 2 seconds delay. And this is it. To switch off this mode, just tap on the timer icon and click on off, and now the picture is taken immediately after your click. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and use camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.